Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to cook a steak. Now I know you'll see this guy, Ted Rose, he calls himself Teonious? I don't know. That's fucking crazy. But this guy, he cannot cook a steak. That is fucked up. You know? Okay. So now I show you how to cook a steak for real. Okay. You start with a little oregano. Okay? Then you have the chili powder. You want a lot of chili powder. Okay. Then you have the garlic powder. The garlic, oh yeah, coño. A little paprika. You have to have the paprika. And then the crushed red pepper. Muy importante. But you have to know when. Because too much is too much. Then you have the onion powder. Ha! Yeah! Cumin. Oh yeah. Okay. Of course, you need the salt and pepper. This fucking guy, this Ted Rose, should be Dead Rose. Huh. This guy, he has no idea what he is doing. I made this for you. We stir that up, turn it around. Oh, yes. Okay. So, put this on the steak. Look at that. It's fantastico. Then, I flip it over. Now do it again. Oh yeah. Make sure you get the sides. The sides are very important. Okay. So, what you do now? I show you, my friends. Okay. The one thing that Ross does wrong. Use olive oil? Olive oil? Why did you do that? You need the corn oil. You make a steak, okay? You don't use a fucking pan. You use a grill. But Manny, the motherfucker, he take my grill. So all I have is this fucking George Foreman thing. I don't know. It's this fucking thing. It's coño. Ha. Oh yeah. Okay. I commented. I show you how to make a steak with this thing. Ha. Okay, so I open this thing. I'm going to use the corn oil. And then I'm going to place this steak on this fucking thing. It's crazy. And then I close the lid. This is how you make a steak that roasts. You fucking cockroach. You don't do a steak in a pan. What you thinking? You're talking crazy. I don't know. This guy is crazy. Okay, wait. There's one other element I'm going to add to this steak. Okay? Do you listen? Do you fucking listening? Okay? Okay. I take this lime and I go like this. Do you see? Okay. That's okay. Because I have some fucking cleaning up to do. Oh, I almost forgot. Do you see this? Olives. I love olives. But I don't do this for the olives. I do it olive oil. Olive oil. Yes. Oh, look at that. Olive oil. Fucking Manny, take my grill. To kiss my fucking ass, Manny. Okay. So now we turn. We turn the stick. I want my grill back, Manny. You fucking cockroach. You make me so angry. I chop this lime. And now. The steak. I give it the lemon juice. Not the lemon juice, the lemon juice. That is how you cook a fucking steak that roasts. You fucking cocksucker. You think you know everything about cooking. You know nothing. Okay. That is good. You put your finger on it. You don't use no fucking thermometer. That is for the stupid and crazy. That is medium rare. Okay, we are done. So, I show you. And not like that roast. I am not a pussy. You don't need no fucking tongs. You just grab this. Just like that. Okay. And so, that roast does make a good point. You need to let the steak rest. There. Go to sleep, motherfucker. It's only for 2-3 minutes. No es importante. Coño. Oye. Look at this fucking mess. It's hard cooking. But that's okay. I love very good food. It's very important to me. Okay, steak. Let's see what you got. Where's my fucking knife? Coño. Okay. So beautiful. The roast be damned. Because you don't have a steak like this. Oh yeah. Do you want a steak? That is the steak for your life. Oh. The roast be damn. Crazy asshole. Okay. Just say goodnight to the bad guy. You will see me again.